Did you know 1K, 1000, 10K, 10,000, 100K, 1 lakh, 1 million, 10 lakh, 10 million, 1 crore, 100 million, 10 crore, 1 billion, 100 crore, 10 billion, 1000 crore, 100 billion, 10,000 crore, 1 trillion, 1 lakh crore. Follow for more. Preposition of place: in, on, under, beside, above, below, in front, behind, between. Follow for more. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, 1 trillion, 10 trillion, 100 trillion. Follow for more updates. Bridemain English. Happy study. English. Egg item: omelette, fried egg, baked egg, scrambled egg, soft boiled egg, poached egg, hard boiled egg, over easy. Follow for more. Everybody, all the people. Somebody, someone. Anybody, anyone. It could be anyone. Nobody, no one. Follow for more. Collective noun: a blank of lion, a pride of lion, a blank of bees, a swarm of bees, a blank of cattle, a herd of cattle, a blank of birds, a flock of birds, a blank of flowers, a bunch of flowers. Follow for more. This is fish. These are also fish. These are called fishes. Can you spot the differences? Follow for more. Silent B words: debt, not B; debt, not debt. It's pronounced debt. Be silent. Debt. I paid all my debt. Doubt. Be silent. Doubt. Never doubt yourself. Climb. Not B. No B. I will climb the mountain. Thumb. Not B. My thumb hurts. Lamb. Not B. The lamb is white. Follow for more. Present, past. I do, I did. I play, I played. I eat, I ate. I go, I went. I cook, I cooked. I write, I wrote. I read, I read. Follow for more updates. Bridemain English.